In this video, we're going to discuss about proper behavior of classes. And for that, I need to create one class. That is our main class, and just I'm going to name it as my control room. Control room, as you all know, is a place where everything begins, and everything is controlled from this particular room. So this control room should have one static function: public static void main string box argx. This is what the control room looks like. Now in the control room, we create the objects of the other class, and then we work here. Now first of all, the question is that what is a class? So class is a logical construct, as you all know, we have discussed in our previous video. And to design a class, what you need to have a clear idea that what exactly you want to do. Suppose if I want to make one class where the idea is that the user will be entering two numbers, and the program will tell you the which number is greater. This is what my simple program is. It's very simple, but it's very good, and the example for just understanding the class. So I say that the greater or smaller, this is my name of the class. So I create one. So as you know that since if you have to find out the two numbers which are greater, the first you need to make the containers for these two numbers, or the memory variables where these numbers will be stored. So I take two int values. You can take two double values also, depending on what you want to compare, but the logic remains same everywhere. So here they have got two variables x and y. Now we need a function to initialize these two variables, because unless these two variables have some values in them, we can never compare them, because otherwise logically they contain the garbage values. So for that we can create a function called as the public void get data. As its name suggests, it will be having two parameters, int a and b, and these numbers are the numbers given by the user, and these will be passed to these x and y. So the x equals a, it means a is assigned into x, because it's not the equality operator. This equal sign is called the assignment operator. Now same ways, y equal to b means the value of b will be assigned into y. Now here I can do my comparison. So for that, public void, I just make it show. So this, now x and y are two integer values, and they have got certain values in them, and now we have to compare. This kind of operator is called as relational operator, which establishes the relation between the two values, and it goes like less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. So less than, greater than, less than or equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to. So equal to means this is equal sign, this is the equality operator. This is our less than or equal to, this is our greater than or equal to, this is our not equal to, exclamation sign along with this. But in this condition we only need to compare x and y, so we'll go by if statement. So it goes like if x greater than y. If x is greater than y, then what will happen? It means if x is greater than y, then what will happen? Then we can say that system dot out dot println greater is x. This is called the concatenation. Concatenation means you are joining two things. One is string greater equal to, this is all string, and this will be concatenated with the value of x. And if it is wrong, like if it fails, means else, then greater value will be y. It's as simple as this. So with this help of this simple example, we are just trying to understand this one relational operator. Now look at this, x greater than y. This is called the relational operator, and its outcome is always boolean, true or false. If x greater than y, it can be either true or it can be false. If x greater than y is true, then the output will be the value of x along with this text called greater equal to, and if x is less than y, the output will be the value of y. So now this is so simple example. Now it's ready. Now let me go back to the control room, and there I'll create the object of this class greater or smaller. I call gs equals new greater or smaller. This is done. This is how gs is the object of type greater or smaller. So I can say gs dot, with the help of gs I call this function int just get data, and then I pass two numbers 12 and 16. So the one will go, this is 12 and 16. Then look at the order that here also this is mentioning that the a is 12 and the b is 16, and if you just think, then the a is going into x and b is going into y, so it means the y is greater than x, so the answer should be 16. This is as simple, but we are trying to understand the whole complexity of this, but we're just trying to understand the behavior of the classes, how the classes can be created, and what is the basic purpose and how do they actually serve. So for that I'll simply call this function and this show. Now job is done, and the output you can see very easily. Now always remember that I have created two classes, the control room where everything is beginning, and the greater or smaller .java is just a functions where this mechanism is getting achieved. So here it goes, and this is what we have got. Thank you very much. Watch the next video.